YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy Black Card. I'm back. Got a little unboxing for you guys today, and basically this is for the my new iPhone. It's the first generation iPhone, but my little new baby that I have back that I'm so very happy and proud about, and I'm gonna show you also it's unlocked, so you know what I'm saying, some fresh new skins versus my other one. So I'll be bringing that probably to you guys too. But let's get into it, see what we got. Man, this thing is, oh man, moving the camera. Sorry about that, guys. They got this thing childproof. So alright, dang. Too much light work, y'all. Alright. Ordered 2 cases. Let's get these out of here. Alright, guys. I ordered let's see. I ordered these cases. They were on sale. I can't read it. I don't know if it'll focus. This camera's not. But this one was actually saying that it was 30 bucks, and then the other one was 35. But if you guys like either one of these cases, go to just type in SPECK, Speck, and Google it, and it'll come with their website. But it was $35 and $30, but they actually was like on half off sale. So if you guys are interested in any of these cases, you might might want to check them out. But they had all other kinds aside from these ones that I got. But yeah, this is for my first generation iPhone. Of course, you know, for the other one, I'm going to be using my 3G. So that's what it is. I'll be using the 3G for I'll be using my LRG for my 3G iPhone. And for my first generation, I'll be using these two. Even, LRG works with the first generation. I just don't like 2 LRGs hanging from my side. So, yeah, this is one of the specs that I wanted to try out. And you see they have the phone. It just slides down in there. Got too much crap on this stuff, man. Okay, it slides out like that. So, nice little metal spec. Oh, nice suede. I'm gonna wear mine. I hope it fits firm. What I'm gonna do is, give me 1 second. I'm gonna get my iPhone. Okay, was that 1 second? Alright, so let me get this off because I just got a text. I'm sure you guys don't want to read that. Alright, so bam, there is my 3G. And again, I bought these cases for this baby, which is You see I have the Georgia, and you can tell it's unlocked because I have the Georgia Bulldogs theme, and I got all kind of other themes. And that is the first generation. So yeah, oh man, good slide in there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna really like that. But if that stays in there, I think that's a good case. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put this on today. Then I have, let's move. Just out the way. Uh-oh, I'm calling somebody. Oh gosh. Somebody, y'all. I was actually calling somebody. So we come to this brown case. Crack that open. Speck. And she's calling. So, didn't mean to call. Almost like a Burberry pattern, but nice brown leather. You guys, uh-oh, I'm messing up cutting. Sorry about that, y'all. Don't know why I was gonna see that part. Actually, messing up my leather there. But nobody's gonna see that anyways. But nice Burberry. Then it's up here. And it has a nice pattern on the inside. So I guess this slides this bit in there like so. Strap up, and this really protects your phone. And your screen is exposed, but does that work like that or no? I'm not sure, guys. I don't know if this. Oh, it has to. Okay, yep. So that's it. Well protected. It doesn't swivel, so it's gonna sit upright like that. But all in all, both of them look like good cases, and this look like it really protects your phone. Just the corners are exposed, your camera, and put your earphones in. The button there is access. So Speck, if you guys want to check them out, that's P-E-C-K. Check them out, man. Alright, man, it's your boy Black Card. I'm gonna holler at y'all. Peace.